Okay, beautiful sunny day here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. This is the Xtreme 328. Parts are from miraclemart.com. They're from Xtreme Productions. I've mentioned this before, but I'm just going to go through it real quick. We got CNC metal and carbon fiber blade grips. The mixing arms, swash plate, which is CNC and carbon fiber, and brass weights. Got the metal swash plate, linkage guide, and I'm also running the Xtreme motor for the 120 SR, which is fits in the 328 just fine. I have tested this already, and I've shown one flight so far. It was very windy outside. Unfortunately, it's also windy today. The wind comes and goes, but the light is better. It's nice and sunny, so we should be able to see the helicopter better. And in between gusts of winds there, I should be able to show a bit of, a bit fast flying for this helicopter now. So let's have a look how it flies. Whoop, 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 whoop. Got caught there on the mat. Start that again. I'm going to trim the tail. Oh my, that wind is pushing. See the speed? Nice and fast, very agile. See it dive, very fast. Whoa, did you see that wind pushing it? But again, I use the cyclic, I counter the wind, and it's working okay for me. Okay, let's see if we can land in this wind today. Rough landing. So I just want to say, like, look at the trees blowing over there. Look at the trees blowing over there. It's quite windy here today. Check out that tree moving. So a lot of people are complaining that they can't get this helicopter moving in the wind, but essentially I'm having very little problem flying in decent wind. Of course, it's a 4-channel helicopter, so when a good gust comes in, you need to, use the cyclic to control it. But what I find is that the Xtreme parts, they do, they give it that edge that will help it cut through wind a little bit better. And it's like, I think the video speaks for itself there. It's flying superbly for me. So yeah, this is the Xtreme Solo Pro outdoor flight with Xtreme production parts from miraclemart.com. I hope you enjoyed the video.